Plywood over slats, a suitable subfloor solution?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a common question in the world of home renovation and DIY projects. Can plywood over slats be used as a suitable subfloor, or is it better to use a different material? By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of subflooring materials and the factors to consider when deciding what to use.
What is a subfloor and why is it important?
A subfloor is the base layer of flooring in a building. It provides structural support and forms the base to which your finished floor, whether that's hardwood, laminate, or carpet, is attached. The subfloor is critically important because it needs to be sturdy, level, and able to withstand the weight of furniture, foot traffic, and more. Choosing the right material is essential for ensuring the longevity and stability of your floor.
Can plywood be used over slats?
Yes, plywood can certainly be used over slats as a subfloor. It's a common practice, especially in older homes where the existing subfloor consists of slats. The idea is to lay plywood sheets over the slats to create a solid, flat, and uniform surface to which you can attach your finished floor. Typically, a thickness of at least 1/2 inch is recommended for the plywood, but in some cases, you might need thicker plywood depending on the condition and spacing of the slats.
What are the advantages and disadvantages?
There are a few advantages of using plywood over slats. For one, it's an efficient way to modernize an old subfloor. Additionally, plywood is strong and relatively inexpensive. However, there are also downsides. Laying plywood over slats can create additional height, which might lead to issues with door clearances and transitions to other rooms. Also, the existing slats must be in good condition and properly secured, or else the plywood layer may not be stable.
Are there better alternatives?
While plywood is a viable option, there may be better alternatives depending on the specifics of your project. For instance, OSB, oriented strand board, is often used as a subfloor material. It's similar to plywood in strength but usually more cost-effective. In some cases, it may be better to replace the old slats completely with a new subfloor, especially if the slats are in poor condition. This can be more expensive and labor-intensive, but could provide a more stable and long-lasting solution. So, can plywood over slats be used as a suitable subfloor? The answer is yes, but with a few caveats to keep in mind. Your decision should be based on factors such as the condition of the existing slats, the specific requirements of your finished floor, and potential height issues. Remember, a subfloor is the foundation of your finished floor, so choosing the right materials and installation methods is critical. Thanks for watching and happy renovating!